Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have me here some cube steak, which I've seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and also pepper. And I've seasoned both sides of my meat. I'm going to make sure that it has plenty of seasoning on it. And in a separate bowl, I have mixed up onion mix, mushroom soup or onion soup, a little bit of water, and onions to help make my gravy. And here I have it here. I've also sauteed some onions, which I'm going to add to my cube steak. Now I'm going to flour each side of my cube steak and put it in a pan to cook. Here I'm flouring my cube steak and I'm going to put it in this pan here. A lot of times I also season my flour with the same ingredients that I season my meat with. As you can see, I'm heating up my oil and I just put a dash of flour in here to make sure that it's ready. Now I'm letting my cube steak brown on both sides, so I'm going to put this back on pause, and I've already put my onions to the side and my gravy mix. Okay, I have turned my cube steak over and let it brown on the other side, and I'm getting ready to add my onions and gravy mix. I didn't have any kitchen bouquet to make my gravy mix darker, so I'm just going to work with what I have. Okay, now I have my cube steak with my gravy mix and sauteed onions, and I'm going to let this cook for a while, and then I'm going to transfer it into the oven at 350 degrees to make sure that the meat is nice and tender and juicy. Now I've turned my cube steak over to the other side, and I'm getting ready to put them in the oven. See how nice and thick my gravy has become? I've decided to put my cube steak in this baking dish instead of an iron skillet and in the nice silver pan that my mother gave me. So I'm going to put this in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now I have my cube steak in the oven for about 40 minutes, and that's going to make it nice and tasty. Now I'm getting ready to slice me up some potatoes, stewed potatoes, and it's going to be good. Watch yourself.